If your GMC Acadia is refusing to start, the specific sound it makes is the biggest clue to fixing it fast. Over 70% of no-start calls for this SUV end up being simple battery or terminal connection issues. Let's break down the sounds and find exactly what is stopping your engine from turning over. Before touching anything, ensure you are in park and check your battery terminals for any loose or corroded wires. A single loud click usually means your starter solenoid is receiving power, but the motor itself isn't turning. Rapid-fire clicking is the classic sign of a battery that has enough juice for lights, but not for cranking. If the lights are dim, try a jump start first. If you hear a heavy clunk, the starter likely needs replacement. Depending on the culprit, you could be looking at a simple battery swap or a more involved starter replacement. If you hear absolutely nothing, try swapping the starter relay or tapping the starter motor to unstick the brushes. A simple multimeter and an OBD2 scanner are your best friends when chasing these electrical gremlins. Don't assume the worst until you've confirmed your battery connections are tight and clean. Listen closely to your Acadia, follow these steps, and you'll have it running again in no time.